Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is victim mentality or victim mindset. So, what does this victim mindset look like? Just the opposite of this is the victim mindset. A person with a victim mindset will keep complaining, blaming others, giving responsibility for his own life, whatever happens in his or her own life. They'll just push the blame on others. Oh, I am like this because of my parents. I did not achieve so much because. They'll keep making excuses. Just the opposite of this is the victim mindset. Attitude decides your altitude in life. So your mindset is one of facing challenges and making your way no matter what. So a victim mindset means that you see opportunities even in the problems. Like James Allen has said, and this is my favorite quote which I keep repeating in most of my videos. Circumstances do not make a man, they reveal him to himself. So this is what is a victim mindset. Like you can have an attitude of lack or abundance mentality. Whenever you see something expensive, never think that this is too expensive, I'll never be able to buy this. Always see, how can I buy this? So your mind will work in such a way that it will inspire you to increase your income. It will tell you ways in which you can buy those expensive things, or it can be anything, achieving something great in your life. So you'll get inspirations, new ideas to achieve that. So it all depends on your attitude. Now, people or individuals with a victim mindset, they do not seek validation from others. They can appreciate others, and that is how they attract everything beautiful in their life. They are very mindful of their behavior, of what they are doing, because this present moment makes your future. So if you are mindful about what you are doing in this present moment, the next moment is also another present moment. Again, you are mindful of what you are doing in that present moment. What happens is you are actually creating your future in this present moment. So this is mindfulness. They take care of their selves. So self-love, self-care is their mantra. They don't take criticism very seriously. That is, they are their self-judges. And so even if you criticize them, they'll take it in a constructive way. So they'll just see, do I have these flaws in my personality? If not, ignore the criticism or use it for your growth. Improve yourself, learn, relearn, unlearn to improve yourself. So you are actually focusing on them and they are focusing on themselves. So what is happening? They are growing. They are moving forward in their path. So all you have to do as an individual with a victim mindset is concentrate on what you are doing, how you are doing. Spread your light from where you are. Do the best of whatever you can from where you are. There is a Zen story about a new monk. New monk means a monk who joined a new monastery, and he met his teacher Joshu, and he said, please teach me something. And the teacher asked him, have you had your porridge? The monk said, yes. Then go and wash your porridge bowl. This is what the teacher said. And the last line of the story is, and the monk was enlightened. Now, how can you get enlightened? Just by listening to your teacher saying, go and wash your porridge bowl. Now, this is a small story with a big message. The message here is, be mindful of what you are doing in this present moment. Take responsibility for your behavior. Do your own thing. Take charge of your life. Take responsibility for your life, and it is not about the big things in life. When you do the small things well, that is how you achieve great results. That is how you achieve the big things. Now, victim mentality will be like an old lady was very ill and she was hospitalized for months together. Now she could have complained, but she chose to write a book instead and inspire others having such an illness. And she wrote this book to inspire many others who would need the knowledge and gain from those experiences. So this is the victor mentality. Whatever life throws at you, when life throws lemons at you, make a lemonade. So this is a victor mentality. A victor mentality, an individual with a victor mentality knows that life is not 100-meter race only. It is a marathon. You have to persist. Keep doing what you are doing, believing. Now, victor mindset will include faith in the source, faith in the universe, persistence, resilience, doing something again and again even when you fail many times. You get up and get going again. And you don't bother about comparison with others, what others think about you. You are just going forward on your path, one step at a time. When you plant a seed, it must grow. And this is the belief. So, next attribute of a victor mindset will be self-belief. They believe in their potential. They believe in themselves. You keep criticizing them, but they have so much of self-knowledge that they just know they are great. So their self-affirmations are positive. So now it is time for you to introspect whether your self-affirmations are more positive or towards the negative side. They are always in positive expectation of something good happening in their life, something good coming into their life. So they remain joyful all the time because they have an optimistic approach towards life. A victim mindset means a pessimistic approach towards life. I know it, this will not work, so I don't do it at all. I'm afraid of failure. So this is a victim mindset. Take all failures as experiences which help you to grow, which help you to move into the next rung in the ladder. That's it. So you'll just keep trying new things in new ways. You'll think of new ways to accomplish whatever you have set out to accomplish. That is a victor mindset. An individual with a victor mindset will never give excuses. They'll just think of new ways to do something, to achieve something, but they will never give an excuse. Oh, I have not been able to do this. They will never procrastinate. They'll get the work done. So they are self-motivated individuals. Creative energy, inspiring energy is always flowing through them, and they just like to do something new all the time, try new things. They are inspired all the time. So they will never give excuses. They'll try out new things. They are ready for changes in their life, any kind of change. They'll embrace change, because only when you embrace change can you grow. You have to think out of the box. You have to think something different so that you get results which are different from what you are getting, so that you get results which are better than what you have been getting all through. They are like ants which will move to the left direction, right direction, but never stop. So that is a victor mindset. So now what do you take from this video? You have to sit for at least 5 minutes today and do a sort of self-introspection. You have to find out if you are more pessimistic or more optimistic. Are you always aligned with problems in your life, or do you try to find solutions? And if you don't find a solution, just leave it that way. It will solve on its own. So you don't worry because you have more faith. You imagine more rather than wasting your time and sulking over your situation in life. You want to make things happen the way you dream about in your life. That is how you can change your life. First, you have to create it in your mind, and only then can you see it in your life. So first and foremost is You must know what you want actually. What is your desire? What is your dream? Now start working towards your dream. Be persistent in your efforts. Stop comparing with others and just keep going. So introspection is the way, mindfulness is the way, self-awareness is the way to know yourself. Self-knowledge is the highest knowledge you can have. So when you know yourself well, you will never be bogged down by criticism from others because you know yourself. I am who I am. I love myself the way I am. I am enough. I am limitless. This is the victor mindset. To stay with this victor mindset. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. I know you are a victor. I believe in you. Keep going. I love you and see you in the next video. If you are here for the first time, do remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Namaste.